Good morning, students. Good afternoon, rather.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Which period is this? This is your dictation and handwriting class, right? All of you know it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So tell me, what do you want to do? You want to do dictation or you want to do handwriting, cursive writing?
Ma'am, cursive writing.
Ma'am, we have to do cursive writing.
Tell me what you want to do. You want to do some new words for dictation or you want to do
Ma'am,
cursive writing?
cursive writing.
All right, we'll do cursive
Ma'am,
writing.
cursive writing.
Very nice.
Ma'am, can we do cursive writing?
Yes, we'll do cursive writing. All of you take out your cursive writing books.
Ma'am, we have to do with pencil or pen?
You do with
Ma'am, we have-
pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Deshika Gangwar, what is wrong, beta? What are you so happy about?
Ma'am, this book.
Yes, your English cursive writing book. So all of you take out your English cursive writing books.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, English creative and English dictation, the copy will make separate.
Beta, you can, yes, you can make a thin copy for this work. English cursive, so, see, English cursive you're going to do in the book that you have got in your book set. For English dictation, you will make a separate copy, a thin copy.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is written on the first page of your cursive writing books?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read Adeshika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait, Adeshika.
many cities, states, and countries have changed their old names. Let's get to know of them.
All right, very nice. Yes, Pratishtha, what are you saying?
Ma'am, we will not do some French.
What?
Ma'am, we are not going to do French.
French?
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, you're not going to study French. In class 5, we don't have French.
Ma'am, but we got a French book.
You got a French
two
book?
books of French.
Oh no,
Yes,
really?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am, see the Krishav.
That's very bad. Now, children, do one thing. Just get this book returned. Because in your timetables, the French period has not been set.
And ma'am, reasoning period.
Reasoning, beta, I don't know. Ask your maths teacher about the reasoning class. That I don't know.
And we have reasoning book.
You have reasoning book. So, do you have reasoning in your timetable? Just tell me this thing.
No, ma'am, there is not reasoning in timetable.
So, in that case,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think please don't use these books. Don't write your names. Get these book returned at the bookstore. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now everybody start doing the page number 1 of your cursive writing books. And I want you to write it in the same way it is written. Mute yourself, Krishav Sahani, as usual. Krishav has not changed the habit of muting, huh? Children, see what we do in cursive writing. We write it in loops. We write it in continuation. Don't break the word. Don't give any break between two alphabets. Okay? Just keep the flow as it is written in the book. Shreyansh Patel, what are you doing with your eyes, huh? Playing with
Excuse
your
me,
eyes?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write in this line.
Yes, you have to write in this line and try to write as it is written in the book. And then each one of you will share the picture on WhatsApp. Okay, after completing it, don't be in a rush to complete the work because I'm in no hurry to get your work. Do it very slowly, very beautifully, and very nicely.
Sorry, ma'am, I am disconnected because of network issue. Please tell what you are doing.
We are doing cursive writing, beta, page number 1 in your cursive writing books. You have to do that.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, there was no class of French.
No, beta, there'll be no class of French because in class 5, French is not introduced in the timetable. So please get your books returned and ask your maths teacher ask your maths teacher also for the reasoning books and get them returned. Okay, don't write your names, don't dirty the book.
Ma'am,
Yes.
okay. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write with pen.
No, beta, you have to do it with pencil.
Ma'am, we have to do how many pages?
Beta, first do this one at least. Why are you coming on to how many pages? I have told you to do this work very nicely. I'm in no rush to see your work. You have to do it
Okay, ma'am.
beautifully to learn how cursive writing is done.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Now I will not tell. Why do you join your class so late? What is the time of your class?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
there was
what
some
we are
network
doing?
problem.
12 o'clock your class is supposed to start. And it's 12:10 and I keep telling continuously what you have to do. Every 1 minute, after every 1 minute, a new student will join and I have to tell 10 times what is to be done. This is so irritating, children. Take out your English cursive writing books. Do page number 1 in your English cursive writing books. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing the work.
Ma'am, I have complete one page.
Very nice. Very good. Now start off with the next one.
Okay, ma'am. What we will have to do?
Ma'am, I have done the first and second.
Okay, Krishav, show me. Bring it in front of the camera. I want to see how you've done. Very nice. Very beautiful.
Ma'am, in next.
No, just do 2 pages, beta, not more than that.
Ma'am, I have done 2 pages.
Ma'am,
Very
please
nice.
see my also.
Show,
Ma'am,
beta.
Ma'am, can I do the third one?
Okay, children, do you think you all will be able to do 3 pages today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, then start the third one. But not more than 3 pages.
Ma'am, I have done. Please see my.
Bring it closer, beta, closer to the camera. Very nice, Adeshika. It looks beautiful. Very good.
And this is the second one.
Yes, nice.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
beta,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I have done page number 1. Please see.
Beta, now do one thing. All of you will post all 3 pages on the class group later. I'll check your work and I'll comment over there. Okay? Because it is not being very clearly visible here on the camera, on the screen. Okay? So share a closed picture on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, we have to do only 3 pages.
Yes, beta, only 3 pages, not more than that.
Okay, ma'am.
Pratishta, are you saying something?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent. Can you see?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
I have
have
sent.
done.
Okay, beta, let me check. Let me see.
Ma'am, in class group 5th.
Just wait, just wait. Okay, so this is whose work? This is Krishav's work. Krishav, very beautiful, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
But beta, see, if you observe the work closely now, Krishav,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
I can pick out a few mistakes which should not be there. Now see, if I say, let's talk about the word Mumbai. See the M you have made, and in the word Bombay, why is the small b coming down from that line? Why is letter M going above the line? And in D, in the word Dhaka. Okay, so why have you broken the continuation? Can you see these little things, beta? Otherwise, it looks very beautiful, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
And see, in the word changed, many cities have changed their old name. So in the word changed, why have you broken the loop of alphabet G? It should go on with E. Don't break in between. That is what I told you in the beginning. Cursive writing means from the beginning till the end, the flow should be there. It should not break in between.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next time now be careful about these little things.
Ma'am, I have sent it, ma'am. Please check.
Yes, beta. Now see, whose work is this? Pratishtha Singh. Pratishtha, again the same thing, beta. Like in letter I of Mumbai.
Yes, ma'am.
Mumbai, why has I just ended abruptly? Huh? Why haven't you brought up the tail of that I? Small I. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then let's talk about many cities have changed their old names. In the word their, can you see in the book how it is written? The circle of small r is coming above the top line. And your circle is placed between the two lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then let's talk about letter N in names. N is not cursive writing. M is again not cursive writing. So when we are doing cursive writing, we have to be careful about these things. In letter Burma, sorry, in the word Burma, M, why only two this thing are there? What do you say? Two loops. But in cursive writing, we should have 3 loops of letter M. So next time when we'll do cursive writing, we will take care of these things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I've got only Pratishtha and Krishav's work on the class group. Adeshika has sent me separately. Adeshika, your work is very beautiful. Very nice, beta. Adeshika is there? Can she listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good work, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then anybody else has sent me? So I've got work from 3 students so far.
Ma'am, now what we have to do?
Now nothing. Those who've done can leave the meeting. Those who are doing can do it. And those whose correction is to be made, a little errors you've made, you can just erase and do it right now. Okay, Pratishtha?
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
See, Advika, I have mentioned so many things that these students have done wrong. So even if you want to make some correction, just make it right now. And then finally send the work. The loop should not break in between. The flow of any word should not stop. There should not be any break. Letter N, letter M should be done. Then small r. The circle of small r should be above the top line. See to these things. It should look, what you've written should look exactly like how it is written in the book. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Very nice. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, is there any mistake?
I'm seeing beta. I'm just checking. Wait. Fifth day. Yes. I've got it. Very nice. Beautiful work. What's your name? Adya Bhatia. You're a new admission?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your face. Open your camera. Let me see you. Very nice work, Adya. I can't see any single flaw in your cursive writing. Such beautifully you've written.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, keep it up. Very nice.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, now can I leave the meeting?
Yes, you can leave the meeting now since you've done.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. दुआओं में याद रखना ओ चंदन। What are you saying, beta? Children, have you done? All of you, you've done the work or are still doing? Shreyansh, the class gets over at 12:40, beta. 3 minutes are left. Beta, have you done the work? Nobody is replying. What is wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Adya, beta, you've done. You can leave the meeting. What about Lakshay, Advika, Virat, Shreyansh, Aradhya Singh? What about you all? Are you even there in the class?
Ma'am,